By the end of this video, you'll learn signs of low libido in women and men's health and how to overcome them. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell. I release new videos Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm Amanda Pasciucco. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist, 15,000 hours of experience working with couples, and I've been a certified sex therapist with AASECT for the last 5 years. Today, we're going to talk about low libido signs, and if you stay until the end, we have a video for you to watch to try to break through. So, signs of low libido in women. 1, feeling disconnected from your body. 2, absence of fantasies. 3, feeling like you can't connect to pleasure even after 40 minutes of stimulation. Feeling different rates of desire throughout your menstrual cycle. Signs of low libido in men. No morning erections. High blood pressure. SSRI medications. Having no sense of desire to move the body or to work out. These are some of the biggest things that affect desire in women and men. Additional factors include biological factors, psychological factors, and social factors. Also, things like testosterone and estrogen fluctuate at different times of the day and different days of the month. Have you ever been dating someone who had these symptoms? Please comment below. How did you deal with it? I'm going to teach you what I taught people about how to improve these signs of low libido and hope that it helps for you and your partner. Start moving your body. Emotion does follow motion. If you are stagnant and not moving a lot, chances are that your emotions also get stuck and you're in a place of lower arousal. When you sit all day, like I'm sitting now, you're disconnected from your pelvic floor muscles, versus when you stand, there's access, the blood flows easier. Start working with a therapist, like a pelvic floor therapist, or start working with a personal trainer. Something that gets you moving will, in fact, increase your libido. Another thing you can do, go to your doctor and ask them about the meds you're on, see if they can switch anything so that your libido will go higher. Don't be embarrassed, doctors get asked this all the time, so there might be meds you're on or meds that you're not on yet that can actually help. Ask them, see what they know about sex positivity and pleasure, and if they don't know anything, find a new doctor. And of course, get education like you're doing right now. This always helps. Your drive or libido to have sex and play does get affected by things happening in the world. Right now, we're in a pandemic. That does affect libido. Having a change in routine affects libido. If everyone's home when you're used to having everybody out, that is going to change patterns. Sometimes low libido is bigger than just the relationship between partners. It's actually something more systemic or culturally going on. Some people are really scared, worried, terrified. Their futures don't feel stable. They're feeling financially insecure. All of these are going to affect libido. When you're feeling these ways, you're not thinking about sexuality. If you think about the function of sex, other than pleasure, it is sometimes procreation. And we don't need to be creating, we don't need to be in pleasure when we need to be in safety. They're kind of opposites. So desire can be fading just because of what's happening in the world around us. And if your partner or people around you are much more rude than usual, I would give you the lesson to try to look more compassionately on people with more compassionate eyes, just looking at them and seeing that maybe they're doing the absolute best they can. However, if this is your partner and low libido has been going on for a while, you're probably frustrated and you know the signs and you want to break through more. To break through these low libido patterns, I have created How to Seduce Your Spouse, a guideline for those who are partnered. When they're stuck or at an impasse with desire, I think that this program will help you learn some new ways to get at what's going on in your partnership that's affecting low libido, other than cultural and systemic concerns. Please download the free webinar by scrolling below to the description. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and the bell, and say hi on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at The Sex Healer. See you then, and thanks for watching.